Such a good student. Naka-uniform ka Wednesday ngayon. Wash day. By the way, you can sit here. I'm Althea, the class president. You can ask me anything. Guys! Andiyan na si Ma'am! Can anyone tell me the things that we have talked yesterday? Anyone?
Nandiyan na pala si Ma'am.
Mr. Leon and company, you're late again.
Morning, Ma'am.
Here we go again. That's Troy, the crazy clown. He'll make a joke out of anything. Your heartbreak, your haircut, even your face. Plus, sobrang batak pa niyan mag-uno. Gamer of the Year goes to Caleb. Mobile Legends everywhere. Kahit sa klase, kantin, even sa CR, nakakatasa pa rin.
Stand boys!
And that one, that's you. Tahimik lang yan, pero sobrang obsessed sa electric fan. And last, but definitely not the least, him, that's Leon. That's Leon, the leader, ang pinakamagulo sa lahat. The kind of guy who'll steal your food, talks back to teachers, throws punches in the hallway.
Ang aga-aga, Ma'am, para magalit. Sige ka,
Go and take your seat and God, fix your uniform! Mr. Leon, answer this on board.
Ako naman trip ni Ma'am. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, class, let's check your attendance first. Anastasia? Present po, Ma'am. Theo?
Present, Ma'am.
Caleb?
Ma'am, present.
Troy?
Present.
Leon?
Present. Hoy! Hoy na yun! Kanina ka pa namin inaantay!
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday. Negotiations breaking down. See those leaders start to frown. It's Toy and Monday. Tomorrow never comes until it's too late.
Akala ko typical na rambulan lang. Muntik pa ako makapatay. No one even knows what happened. No one cares. Even my friends. Tumakbo lang ang mga gago at iniwan ako. Ayoko na. Tain na, kailangan ko na magbago.
Thank you, sir!
If you love me, baby, let me hear you say it. I know I'm your favorite.
Wow, I don't think I've ever felt this alive before.